Ready, three, two, one, start. The last American soldier left Kabul on Tuesday, bringing to an end the 2 decade long occupation of Afghanistan. Full stop. The Afghan Taliban have already taken control of the war battered country, and most likely a new political setup will take shape in the next few days. Full stop. The seismic changes in Afghanistan over the last few months have jolted geopolitics in the region. Full stop. New paragraph. Despite the Taliban's control over almost the entire country, the situation in Afghanistan is still fluid. Full stop. There is deep anxiety in the region and beyond over the return of Taliban rule. Full stop. More than any other country, it is Pakistan that should be most concerned. Full stop. But there seems to be little understanding in the government about how to deal with the shifting sands across the Durand line. Full stop. The confused messaging on the Afghan situation will inevitably land us in dire straits. Full stop. New paragraph. It begins with the Prime Minister, whose thoughtless remarks often cause diplomatic embarrassment. Full stop. Last week, in a speech, he implicitly called for recognition of the Taliban government against our stated policy of not going solo on the issue. Full stop. One wonders whose policy that is anyway. Full stop. His premature assertion about the legitimacy of Taliban rule before the group has even formed a government has raised questions about our contradictory position. Full stop. Not surprisingly, the statement has added to the confusion in our foreign policy that has become a hallmark of the PTI government. Full stop. New paragraph. The desire has never been so pronounced. Full stop. It's a free for all with ministers airing their own views on a sensitive foreign policy issue, often contradicting each other. Full stop. The swift victory of the Taliban has generated euphoria and a sense of triumphalism among many of them. Full stop. Some are even offering unsolicited advice to the Taliban on what the group should or should not do. Full stop. It's getting more and more bizarre. Full stop. New paragraph. Interestingly, the Taliban leadership appears more circumspect about their victory than our warrior ministers. Full stop. There is a mad race to claim credit for the change in Afghanistan to the point of embarrassment. Full stop. In the lead is none other than our ubiquitous foreign minister, whose penchant for appearing on TV channels several times a day and holding frequent press conferences is disconcerting. Full stop.